There's no script for the roles we play each day, as teammates, leaders, or just people navigating change. At Theatre of the Self, we step off the page and into the moment. Through improv, we learn to respond without constraint, to say yes and to build on what's already there, and to trust that collaboration doesn't need perfection, just presence. We practice making each other look good, and in doing so, discover a whole new way of showing up.
With Forum Theatre, we go further. Not just watching problems unfold, but stepping into them. Trying, failing, shifting perspectives, and finding new ways forward. It's theatre as rehearsal for real life, where we break the fourth wall between us and them.
And then the archetypes arrive, recurring patterns of behavior that live in all of us. The leader, the rebel, the caregiver, the disruptor. Patterns that keep showing up in our decisions, in our relationships, in our work. By stepping into these personas, we start to recognize what fuels us, what holds us back, our hidden strengths and our growing edges. This isn't about putting on a mask. It's about discovering who's already there and what might happen if we meet them fully.
This isn't about performance. It's about reflection, awareness, and choice. It's about practicing new ways of being together. Theatre of the Self is a space for connection, creativity, and courage to discover how we show up and how we grow together.